Hi, this is Snoop with a minute of medicine for your mind. You know the story of Moses when God told him to go tell Pharaoh to let my people go. Well, he did so. After about 7 plagues, Pharaoh let the children of Israel go. On the way out, the children of Israel asked the people of Egypt, because God told them to, for riches. And they gave them gold and silver and all kinds of stuff. A few minutes later, and I don't know about minutes, but a little bit later, after they left Egypt, the people of Egypt, and Pharaoh said, hold it, we just let our slaves go and gave them all our money. So they chased them. They got to the end of the Red Sea. The angel of God moved from in front of them to behind them so Pharaoh's army couldn't see them. And all through the night blew the winds to part the Red Sea so the children of Israel could cross. That's what God told them to do. In the morning when they crossed, the angel went back in front of them, and Pharaoh tried to cross the Red Sea, and his army drowned. What am I trying to say to you today? It's real simple, see. A lot of times in life, we'll make moves and decisions in our lives and put actions in our lives based on what we saw worked for someone else, or because our friends are doing, or because it's popular at the time. I'm warning you to be very careful to make sure that whatever you enact in your life is based on the word that God has given to you and not given to someone else. If you moved on a word that was meant for someone else, then you can find yourself like Pharaoh's army, drowning in the Red Sea. You can be engulfed and swallowed by something that was meant to be positive for someone else. You see, God's plan is specific and differentiated for each and every one of us based on our purpose, our destiny, and what he has planned for us. You see, he has a specific set of instructions just for you. So you need to make sure you're following the instructions that he's written for you, or what you're trying to build in your life won't be what he wants you to build in your life. This is Snoop with a minute of medicine for your mind.